Hey there, nurses! Welcome back to our channel. Today's episode is a game changer because we're diving into something super important: retirement planning. Yep, you heard that right. We're breaking down retirement in the simplest, most nurse-friendly way possible. Now, retirement planning might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's crucial, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So, grab a pen, some coffee, and let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's talk about why retirement planning is a big deal for nurses. From the long hours on our feet to the rewarding yet demanding work, our careers require dedication and hard work. But it's equally important to plan for our future beyond the hospital walls. Picture this: early morning shifts, saving lives, and endless compassion. Retirement might seem years away, but the earlier we start planning, the better. We're talking about building a financial safety net, ensuring our hard-earned money works for us, and, most importantly, maintaining the lifestyle we desire after years of incredible service. Now, let's break down some practical steps. We'll discuss budgeting, smart investment strategies, and retirement account options tailored specifically for nurses. I'll also share some amazing tips and tricks I've learned along the way. We've got an amazing guest today, a financial expert specializing in retirement planning for healthcare professionals. They'll be sharing insider knowledge, debunking myths, and answering the burning questions you all have about securing a comfortable retirement. Before we wrap up, remember these essentials: start early, educate yourself, seek expert advice, and most importantly, take action. Your future self will thank you for it. Well, that's a wrap for today, nurses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all things retirement planning. Take care, stay healthy, and see you next time.